Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and last time we were working with Matplotlib Pyplot, we learned how to do a bar chart. Sometimes those are great, sometimes things look better if they're turned on their side. So alright, let's just look at our bar chart. Now I want to take a second and really reiterate this. So this is not in X and Y order here. This is a zip and this is indexed. Index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, alright. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Because I want you to, let's get rid of this. Doesn't care what the ticks are. It's not going through here. It's looking at this. Alright. The reason why I'm really making a big deal about this is we're going to look at how to make a horizontal bar chart, and it's literally this simple. H for horizontal. It literally takes it, flips it on its side. You don't have to rearrange anything. You're not changing. I remember when I think about this, I was like, oh my god, I'm going to have to take this and do the X and the Y in the reverse. No, it doesn't care. It goes, okay, index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Same thing, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is how we put the information in. We're going to have to make one more little catch after this. So now we want it's going up the y-axis, right? Boom. We're going to have to change one thing you'll see shortly. And I'm pretty sure you're noticing it already. This is a little ugly. We're like, oh, hydrates, what? And hesterol. So we know how to change that. So now that's how you change it. It's literally that indexed. So let's do fig size. What is it? Let's say 10.6. Let's find out and see. Boom. There we go. Just enough to get everything to fit. And that is how simple taking a bar chart and turning it on its side is. So that's horizontal bar chart. Real quick video today. Absolutely awesome job, guys. Thank you so much for all the wonderful comments, all the great questions, all the shares that have been happening. I just can't say thank you enough. So as always, guys, please leave any comments, questions, or any video requests below, and I'll get right to them. We're going to start doing some pretty cool stuff, pretty sophisticated, so stay on top of them. Hope the weekly videos are working out, so you don't feel you can come to us once a week, watch them, get caught up, and just really great questions. My goodness, lots of shares. So thank you. So as always, guys, stay tuned. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.